Good afternoon, my name is Alexander with RJS Roofing. Today we're doing a temperature repair on Dale Andrews Jr.'s roof. It's the 21st of May. It's about 65 degrees outside. It's about 2 o'clock. This is going to be our wind damage shingle that we attempt to repair. We're going to be using a shingle hammer, an Allstate approved roof snake, and a nail puller today. The first step of our process is going to be releasing the seal on the shingle so we can get the nails out. We're going to do this as careful as possible. Most of these shingles are pretty brittle though, so as you can see they're almost already been sealed. All right, now we've got them unsealed. I'll give you a quick overview of what our shingles are looking like before we get started removing these nails, just so we can kind of get an idea. So as you can see, it's our bottom row here. Left side. It's our top row. Over here as well. So as you can see, it's not too bad. The shingles aren't too horrible. Just very thin, brittle. We're gonna start this process with our nail remover and our shingle hammer. Get our first nail out. Got 2 nails here. This one. Okay, a quick overview of what that shingle's looking like. So, as you can see, the granules have started to release themselves at the top of the shingle, creating a line there, right there at the top. This is going to continue to get worse as we keep going. Moving to our next shingle. Got 2 nails, one's very high. Next nail's on the right side. Correct. Okay, another quick overview. Ooh. Sorry there. Get a footing. Okay, so you can see in the top of the shingle, that line that's appearing there, again, is forming just from removing that nail. To our next shingle. Got 1 nail in the middle. As we hit this hammer, you can see granules coming off.
It went all blurry.
There we go. Sorry about that. Here we are. Again, you can see the line that's formed at the top of the shingle. Very obvious here. This is from those couple hammer hits all the way across there. There we are. All right, moving on to our next row. Okay. Quick overview. Thank you, sir. Once again, so you can see that line there. There we are. That line that's formed there, the top of the shingle, all the way across, starting here on this left side, kind of deep over there, and then moving over to this right side, and deep in that right side as well. Moving to our next shingle. Okay, quick overview. Once again, you can see top of that shingle, the line that's formed, very deep on this left side, all the way across. All right. Yes, sir. Second to last. Very high nail. Way above the nail line there. Quick overview. Once again, where are we at? Here we are. So you can see that line at the top of the shingle, all the way across, starting over here deep on this left side, moving across. You can see the shingle there. Started to crease. Oop, here we are. Make sure it's still recording. Okay, on to our last one. Okay. To our last one, we should be able to remove our shingle now. We'll do a quick overview of that last one. Once again, you can see the granule loss here, real deep, all the way across the shingle, the line here. This will continue to get worse as we replace these nails as well. So we'll get our shingle out now. New shingle in there.
Sorry about that. Get my phone call and then use that.
Okay. So we'll be using our roof snake to replace these nails. As careful as possible. Couple more. All right. So we're gonna give you a quick recap now. We started this process with one damaged tab and one damaged shingle. We now have additional damage on this tab, these two as well. And our top row, we also have damage here. Our middle row. One moment, run out of chalk. But as well as on this top one. So from one damaged tab to 7, from one damaged shingle to 3. And this is gonna be the case on the rest of this roof, as there's damage and it needs repairs all over it. So sadly, we're gonna have to say this is a failed repair test. Sorry about that.